Playing Xbox games on Xbox consoles is cool, but what if you want to play those games on your mobile device without a console? Is that possible? Click that subscribe button, give me your attention, and let's explore how that can be done. We all know that Xbox is a video game console system created by the American company Microsoft. But these days, Xbox is more than just consoles. There's even an Xbox cloud gaming service that allows you to play your favorite Xbox games on mobile without owning a console. To do this on your mobile device, 1. Search xCloud on Google and open the first result from the Xbox website. 2. You'll be directed to the Xbox Cloud Gaming Service, where you'll find a variety of games you can play on your phone without a console. 3. Before you can play any game, you'll need to sign up with your Microsoft account. Once signed up, you'll have access to play Fortnite for free. If you want to play more games like Forza Horizon, you'll need an Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription. Xbox Game Pass Ultimate is a subscription that allows you to play new games on day one and enjoy hundreds of high-quality games on console, PC, and cloud. It typically costs $19.99 a month, but Xbox offers it for $1 to new members. We also have a video that explains how to get Xbox Game Pass for free. You can watch it if you have time. Thank you.